last time I came. But
Why are your feet pink?
don't even question my feet. I almost just fell. Yum. Ew, look how gross my feet look.
Yeah, but I got that same thing going on the top of this one.
My baby feet.
Like, oh, I thought you meant like the
and the boo-boo.
scabbers, yeah. The boo-boos.
Yeah, I know. Maybe I should get one of them walking sticks from camp to have, because that.
I'm gonna eat a sandwich. Can you make me a sandwich?
Yeah, if we're gonna do stuff like this.
I'm gonna eat a sandwich.
Do you want? What do you want? You want turkey
and
or salami and cheese, or
salami?
Do you want mustard?
He's got a couple of those things that you put. Those are chips you like, right? Yeah, I like chips too. You save a couple. Those kids will probably get hungry.
Oh, they're in! They're in!
There's somebody else throwing their trash. I'll pick it up, I guess.
Oh, I should take a couple pictures to show to you. Ooh, and other people. How's the water?
Chilly.
Is it cold?
It's kind of cool there.
Just tastes like a Great Depression meal.
It gets deep down there if you actually want to be able to swim. That's the place.
Depression meal.
The water's so low this year. In here? What about that? Right there.
Yeah, lettuce and mustard's kind of not my thing. If you're gonna have lettuce on your sandwich, you need like a ranch dressing or something like that to go with it.
Where's the beverage?
You brought the tea and Daddy brought the Pepsi.
Definitely.
I thought.
If you want to put a Crocs on, it's not slippery.
Yeah, it's still gonna be slippery and she's not gonna be able to feel it with her feet though. I know, I just feel like she won't be able to feel that the rock is slippery. With the Crocs on, she won't be able to feel the slipperiness. And so then she might be more likely to wipe out.
Nobody's allowed to get hurt.
And she can feel the slipperiness. She's gonna take her leash off. Yeah, I don't want her to be dragging it.
She's alright.
Yeah, no, she's alright. I just didn't want her dragging the leash because then she could get caught on something.
Somebody shows us it's like definitely afraid of the dog.
Fine.
Sometimes you get somebody that's afraid of the dog and then the dog gets weirded out because they're actually
Yeah, we have a pretty big thing that we can hold up if you want to change.
We got a giant towel.
Yeah.
Here, want to do that, Jemma? I was gonna say.
She's having her sandwich and stuff first.
Okay.
It tastes like a Great Depression meal.
What Great Depression?
It tastes like a Great Depression meal.
They wish that they had food that good. The swag salami. How come you didn't have turkey? You want salami? Just a little turkey. I just got a couple slices of salami because she's like,
Oh.
I'll have another sandwich.
I don't know what she's trying to do. She's probably trying to be great. You're not.
This is my dad.
Definitely smile.
Okay, I did a quick outfit change out in the open.
She just likes to sniff everything, you know.
I don't tell anyone, but I pee everywhere.
Okay.
It's alright. You know, honey, it happens. Everybody has to pee, you know.
Okay, guys, you're gonna see how tall I am. In real life. Okay, ready? I'm about to stand up. This is how tall I am in real life. Okay, I gotta actually adjust this. Tired my head. I know it's dumb and I don't people here, but I don't care. Still. Mom, it's on my head. Alright, let's go to the up down there. guys, don't look at my feet. Ow, ow, ow. This is scary. Oh. Okay. Ow. Getting pretty high now. Alright. Getting pretty high, guys. I need to go around here. Okay, yeah, perfect. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here we go. Whoa! Alright. I'm on top of the waterfall. I made it. We're on top of the waterfall, chat. Yes, this is beautiful. Whoa, okay. Okay, you know what? All right, let's keep going. Right? Let's keep going up. Ignore me heavy breathing. I can't breathe through my nose that much. Okay. I'm gonna go up here, and because it's hot. Oh, it's slippery. If I fall, it's not gonna be good. Oh, this is nice. It's cold. All right. Okay. Oh, almost slipped. What the heck? Look at inside the water. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Gonna have to go through the water here. Okay, that's nice. I don't want to fall and like break my tooth. And then we're gonna hike down the other way. Welcome to Maine, y'all. For people from Maine watching. Oh, my bad. Go and visit. So, whoa! You know, go outside, guys. Because everywhere looks like this. Probably even better. So go outside, go do something. Make some friends. Don't just sit and do nothing because you'll regret it. Oh, it's gonna get a little deep. Okay, I'm gonna take this out of, oh, it can get wet, never mind, I'm dumb. Okay. But yeah, go do stuff with your life because it's fun. Be a kid. Get in trouble once in a while. Okay, I need to pee. I'm peeing in the water. I'm peeing in the water. Okay, I peed in the water, let's go. But, you know, I know a lot of you guys actually, whoa! Okay, a lot of you guys enjoy our outside adventures, and the summertime's the best time to do them. I know the gaming stuff isn't really good, but we can't really go outside in the winter, so. I mean, we can, but there's nothing to do. Whew, this is nice. This is nice, guys. This is really nice. Let me check if it's still recording. Yeah, we're good. Want to take a dip underwater? Cool, y'all. Okay, let's go. Ready? Ready? That's cool, wasn't it? Got my whole like hook. That's fun. Alright, let me wipe off the camera. Might still have drip dry. Come on, drip. Alright. Ready? This water looks kind of deep. Alright. Whoa, let's go. Oh, okay. Ah! Whoa, whoa, okay. That is kind of deep. Up to my waist about. Oh, that's nice. Pretty cool. Alright. But also, guys, what me and Caleb and Richie do, we made a frog. We may joke about stuff, but let me catch it. Oh, never mind. Anyways, we may joke about it, but we make sure to be very careful and we look out for each other, because no one likes to get hurt. And some stuff can be really, really dangerous like this. I could fall and get hurt, and my parents wouldn't know until I don't come back for a while. So if you do stuff, do it smartly. Well, if you do something dumb, do it safely. Okay. I don't know how far I'm going up here, but you know, how far more should we go? Let's go in this water, let's go up here, and then we'll turn around. Splash the water because I don't want bugs. They're fine, I just don't like them. I don't want to fall off, they freak me out. Alright, this doesn't look good. No, it's not. Woo, okay. No, it's a shame Caleb and Ricky couldn't come, but that's fine. Got lots of stuff coming forward, and I think you guys like my adventures. I know stuff is much, much better when all three of us are together, and more stuff will be coming out. We still got time. And I don't know if you guys can really hear me, so over the waterfall, and me talking kind of quietly. Alright, it looks like there's not much up there, so I'm gonna just sit in the water and see how the footage came out, and then we'll head back, alright? Catch you back in a minute. Alright guys, the footage looks pretty fine to me. Whoa, hold on. Yeah, look, the footage looks fine to me. You're back on my head, and let's head down, alright? Sounds good to me. Alright. Also, get some climbing skills. Also be able to run. You know, be active, alright? Because being active gets you so far in life. Whoa! Okay, that was slippery, guys. So, at least it was in the water and not somewhere else. I just gotta be careful. But yeah, be active, and it'll get you far. Like running away from cops or climbing up a mountain. Sorry, my shorts are riding up. Alright, let's slide down this right here. Alright, looks kind of slippery to me. Use it as a natural slip and slide. A little bumpy on the edges. Alright, that's not working. So don't do that. My shorts have too much traction. I don't like how short these shorts are. Look, this is nice, right? Little rock moment. Ooh, look at that. What is that? I wonder if I could skip it. Let's go here. Let's try to skip it. Ready? Twice. Alright, let's head back. Okay, that's slippery. Almost just fell. Also, when my feet get wet, that gets really slippery too, so I have to be careful. No, not here. Sometimes I've been, never mind. That's just gonna make me sound like something else. But I was like, sometimes I'm in intrusive thoughts of like, what if I did try to jump into the water from the waterfall? Obviously dumb, but ow! Whoa. Okay. Well. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. I just fell. Ow, my toe. Okay, let's take a moment. Oh, silence. I want to push that log down the waterfall. Can I lift it? No. Who do you think I am, Hulk? I just fell. That hurt really bad. I'm okay though. Comment RIP Jemma. Ooh, that's like a slide, huh? Let's try. It's not gonna work, but. Wow, so cool. I'm too fat. Okay. Awesome. All right. Boom. We're walking. It's a leap of faith. Okay. Head into the, we're gonna head down this way. Again. All right. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? I'm gonna get copyrighted. All right. I like these little rock areas because I know I won't slip. Okay. Okay, I can see down now. Where's my parents at? Mommy? Daddy? Where are you? I see your stuff still. They wouldn't leave it on me. Look, a little stick. I'm gonna bring that with me. It's not sturdy enough to be a walking stick, but it's a dry stick. I like it. It's like a cane, you see? I like it. Alright. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go here to down there. Okay, we're walking down. Drop. That's probably like a Bigfoot drop, so let's not fall, alright? Use a lot of hand movement. Because if I fall, I will die. You think? Okay. We're going down this way. Much safer. What? I went up this way. No, I climbed. That's less fun. I just climbed. I scaled. Mom, I scaled this whole thing. I know. Now we go down here. Or we can go down that way. Let's go down that way. That seems more interesting. Alright, this is slippery. Like my dad said. So we're going on our butts. Like crab walking. Oh, that's dangerous. No, that's slippery. I know I do probably the dumbest stuff out of the three of us. That or Ricky. but I'm not gonna try to, you know, almost die, so. I'm gonna go under there, guys. Okay. It's like stepping. It's like stairs. And I was talking about his nipples. He's talking about his nipples. Okay, from here we go straight down. What? Okay. Hold on. Alright, I'm putting you guys on here now. Alright, ready? Let's go in the water. Ooh, chilly. Oh, that's cold. We're gonna go under the waterfall. Are you ready? Oh, I gotta take off my glasses. Right there, because I don't want them getting all wet. Not deep. Let's skip this. Shay, hey, can you do me a favor? Do me a favor. Don't touch the lenses and don't get them wet and bring them to Mom. As she touches the lenses. Are we ready? Are we ready? Shay put giant scratches in my glasses. I told her to bring them, and I don't know how the heck you managed to get those fat scratches in them. Now I'm in a bad mood. Whatever, I'm going in here. I'm done. No, I'm not in a good mood. Shay broke my glasses. Well, she said. Well, I don't care. Okay, well, I'm going to get dry because I'm in a bad mood. And I can't see. I literally can't see without my glasses. So, I can't. I'm not in a good mood. In a horrible mood, if anything. I'm gonna try to dry them off and see how bad they actually are, if I can live with them. But that's probably going to be it for the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe.